Can we recover deleted Telegram messages, chats, pictures, or media? Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Telegram tips. Many people ask, can we recover deleted Telegram messages, chats, pictures, or videos? Here's the clear and honest answer. First, if you deleted messages or chats for everyone, they are permanently removed from Telegram servers. There is no official way to recover them. Second, if you deleted a chat only for yourself but not for the other person, then the messages may still exist on the other user's device but not on yours. Third, for pictures, videos, or files, check your phone's storage. Sometimes media is still saved in your gallery or file manager, especially if auto download was enabled. Fourth, check saved messages. If you previously forwarded files or messages there, they can still be available. Fifth, if you're using Telegram Desktop, deleted chats cannot be restored there either unless they were never deleted in the first place. Pro tip: Telegram does not support chat backups like WhatsApp, so once something is deleted, it's usually gone forever. Avoid apps or websites claiming Telegram recovery. They are unsafe and fake. So, in summary, deleted Telegram messages and chats cannot be recovered officially, but media might still exist on your device storage. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment clear below.